The most popular function in R for reading a CSV file is called read.csv. So if you're ever in RStudio and you want to see the manual or the help pages for a specific function, you just type question mark and the name of the function, no parentheses, and it'll pull up the manual, the help page. So we see here that read.csv only has one required argument. The optional arguments have the equal signs, meaning they have default arguments provided. File does not have an equal sign, so that is a required argument. And that is the name of the file that we want to read data from. So I have a file called data.csv that I want to read from into R. So I'm going to try to use read.csv on that file. You see that there's no such file or directory called data.csv. The reason that happens is that the file data.csv has a path of c/user/kwit/desktop/demo, okay? Whereas my working directory in R, which I can determine with getwd, is c/user/kwit/downloads. So the way to get around that, there are a few ways to get around it. The first is to pass an absolute path name into read.csv, which means no matter where I am in my file system, this starts at the very root and travels to the path from there. So it doesn't matter what my current working directory is. I can use this absolute path to get to the file I want. So there's my absolute path name. I'm on a Windows machine, so I have to change these to forward slashes. Demo is the folder name there. File name is data.csv, so I need to add that there. And there we go. Those are the contents of that file. Another way I can do it is I can determine the relative path to data.csv from the path I'm currently in. So if you remember, my working directory, let's go ahead and clear this here. Is c/user/kwit/downloads. So to get here, from there, I need to travel up into the parent directory, which will be kwit, and then say /desktop/demo. So read.csv. Parent directory is 2 dots, /desktop/demo, and then the file name is data.csv. There we go. We have the same data. Now, if you want to just be able to type read.csv data without getting that no such file or data.csv, without getting that no such file or directory error, you can change the working directory. So I'm going to change the working directory using setwd, the absolute path. No file, no data.csv file name here because we just want to go all the way down into that demo folder. Oh, I forgot to change the backslashes to forward slashes. Silly old Windows. Of course, I could also do the relative path name from where I am. So that's going up into the parent directory, down into desktop, and down into demo. Cannot change working directory. Oh, right, because I already set it to desktop/demo. So what this is trying to do is it'll go back up into desktop and then look for another desktop/demo. But if I were to change it back to what it was originally, which is /documents, I believe, then what I was trying to do would work. Yep. And then then I could read.csv with the simple file name, and that should work. Now, if you don't want to have to worry about all the path names and stuff like that, you can pull up a GUI and pass that as the file name argument. What this does is file.choose returns a file name and passes it to read.csv for you. So here's how we use that. I'll pull up a GUI here, and I can choose the file I want to read from using file.choose. Now, of course, read.csv returns the data in a data frame. So if I want to ever use that data, I need to store it somewhere. So I can store it in a data frame. Again, doesn't matter what a variable name is. So I can call the variable name df equals read.csv data.csv. That'll read the contents of data.csv into a data frame called df. You can see the exact same result. It's just stored in a variable this time. Hope this helps.